Welcome to Section 4, Module 3, Multi-Facing Arrays, How to Take Irradiance Readings in GHI Mode. In this module, you'll learn how to handle solar systems where panels face multiple directions or have different tilt angles, and how to use the GHI irradiance method to accurately assess their performance. A multi-facing array is one where panels are installed on multiple roof planes with different orientations or tilt angles. Common examples include east-west splits, south plus west combinations for primary and afternoon production, complex roofs with multiple planes, and even panels facing the same direction but at different tilt angles, which still require separate groups in the calculator. The key concept in multi-facing mode is GHI first, tilt later. GHI stands for Global Horizontal Irradiance, a level irradiance reading taken with the meter held horizontal at 0 degrees. In multi-facing mode, you take the irradiance reading immediately without going on the roof first. Later, once you enter each group's tilt angle, SolarCheck Pro automatically converts your horizontal reading into each group's plane of array value. The workflow is: Step 1. Take one GHI reading at 0 degrees before going on the roof. Step 2. Enter each panel group's tilt in the calculator. Step 3. SolarCheck Pro converts GHI to POA for each group automatically. To take the GHI irradiance reading, move to a clear area well away from trees, buildings, vehicles, walls, and roof edges. Set up the tripod and place the irradiance meter at 0 degrees, completely level. Capture the irradiance reading, and taking a photo is good practice for documentation. Record the time and conditions. An important field tip: if possible, set your clamp meter first at the planned measurement point. Then take the GHI irradiance and amp reading as close together as possible. This ensures your readings reflect the same solar conditions. When setting up panel groups, create a separate group for each distinct combination of direction and tilt. For example, 15 panels facing south at 25 degrees and 10 panels facing west at 20 degrees. That's 2 groups. Or if all panels face south but half are on a steeper dormer, that's also 2 groups. A common scenario to watch for: same direction does not always mean one group. If the tilt differs, you must split it into separate groups. This prevents the calculator from averaging mismatched angles and significantly improves accuracy. Here's the recommended workflow for multi-facing arrays. First, select multi-facing in the calculator. Second, immediately determine where the amp reading will be taken and set your clamp meter in place. Third, take the GHI irradiance reading using a tripod at 0 degrees in an unobstructed area. Fourth, fill out the measurements page completely: irradiance, conditions, voltage, time, and electrical method. Fifth, build panel groups for each direction and tilt combination. Sixth, enter the tilt for each group in the System Info section as you collect details. Seventh, complete the remainder of the System Info page with panel, inverter, and battery details. Finally, calculate performance. Let's review the quick rules to remember for multi-facing arrays in GHI mode. Multi-facing means GHI first. Take a 0-degree horizontal reading before going on the roof. Take GHI and amps close together. Set your clamp meter first, then take the irradiance reading. Each unique direction plus tilt combination gets its own group. Same direction doesn't always mean one group if tilt differs. Fill the measurements page immediately while conditions are still valid. Following these rules ensures accurate, reliable performance assessments for complex multi-facing solar systems.